You have to keep going. Trust it, Sean.
I don't think it's on right.
Just try.
I don't want to fall and hit my back.
Ready? Sean sits in the hammock, take 2. Snap. Does that feel more stable? Oh, living large. It's a hammock for 2, Sean.
Or one fat 400-pound person.
Or what?
One fat 400-pound person.
Okay, I'm gonna come get in with you.